Okay, this is test 3, section 8, question number 7. The question here talks about an inequality absolute value equation. A bad combination, but let's see. The question here says the absolute value of 6 minus 5y is more than 20. Then what is the value of y? The answer choices are a minus 3, a minus 1, a 1, 3 and a 5. So let's see how to work on these types of questions. So if you remember from the absolute value equations introduction video, to solve these types of questions we need to make two cases. So we would make two cases here. Case 1, which says 6 minus 5y is more than 0, and case 2, which says 6 minus 5y is less than 0. So when we take 6 minus 5y as a positive value, the equation here becomes a 6 minus 5y is more than 20. So we keep y on one side and the constant on the other, so we get a minus 5y is more than 20 minus 6, or a minus 5y is more than a 14. Now because we would have to divide by a negative, the sign changes. So if you remember this from the introduction video of the inequalities, whenever we divide or multiply by a negative number, the sign changes. So we finally get y is less than a minus 2.8. Do we have any answer choice which is less than a minus 2.8? Yes, answer choice A works. So we can simply mark our answer as A, but still let's check if we can get some other answer from here. When 6 minus 5y is less than 0, we get minus times 6 minus 5y is more than 20, or we can write this as a 5y minus 6 is more than 20, or we get a 5y is more than 26, or y is more than a 5.2. As we can see, no answer choice work for this, so the correct answer still remains A. A bit time consuming question, but if we solve for both, only then if we just have to work for this and there's only one answer choice matching, we can simply say that's the answer. Now let's see, there's another way that we can work out this with. Another way to work out this question is when we use the answer choices. So what we have is, we are given some answer choices and we have a value of y in one of these answer choices, and that value of y would hold true with this equation. So let's see which of these would work. So if we put y equals a minus 3, this equation becomes 6 minus 5 into a minus 3, which becomes a plus 15, which is a 21. So this is more than 20. So that holds true. So let's keep it. Answer choice B, minus 1. So this becomes a 6 minus 5 times minus 1, which is a plus 5. So not more than 20. So that's not the answer. So goes out. Answer choice C, which is a 1. If we put this here, we get a 6 minus 5, which is again not more than 20, goes out. Answer choice D, which is a 3. 6 minus 5 times a 3, which is a 15, is not more than 20, goes out. Answer choice E, a 5. 6 minus 5 times 5, which is a 25, is again not more than 20, so that goes out. So again, the correct answer is A. You can choose whatever method you are more comfortable with. As such, I feel this is faster and better. So use answer choices for solving the questions faster. Right, thank you.